You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in British English, and also how it's said in the US. I know it's a little bit confusing, this one, so let's break it down. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced in British English in the UK as drawers. Draw, it's an O sound, okay? Not an A, it's not drawers. It looks like it should be drawers, but no, it's drawers, drawers, okay? Now, the American pronunciation is a bit more open, a sound. Drawers is how the Americans say it. Drawers. So, drawers, British English pronunciation, or drawers, American pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.